Welcome to the Skin Lab, where we turn skin from a diagram into a system.
By the end of this lab, you'll be able to describe the skin and accessory structures, microscopic features, tissue types, and temperature regulation. Let's start with the big picture. The skin is organized into 3 layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, or subcutaneous layer. The epidermis is avascular, while the dermis contains blood vessels and nerves.
Epidermal derivatives originate from epidermal tissue and include hair and nails, as well as major gland structures. These structures are important parts of the skin and not just extra stuff. Let's start by examining a hair follicle in more detail. The hair follicle has distinct anatomical components, including the hair shaft, which is the visible portion on the surface of the skin. This is what you wash or shave. The hair follicle is located in the dermis. Lastly, the hair bulb or root is the area of growth for the hair.
Now let's look at another epidermal derivative, the fingernail. Fingernails are not bone. They are keratinized structures supported by a nail bed. Nails protect the digits and provide a tool for gripping. There are several anatomical components of the nail, including the nail plate. This is the part you paint, nail bed. The nail plate sits on top of this structure, cuticle and lunula. You will spend time inspecting nails in lab this week.
It's time to get our microscopes out and look at the structure of the epidermis and dermis. Microscopically, the epidermis and dermis look very different. The epidermis is a stratified squamous epithelium. These stratified layers are keratinized. The dermis, however, consists of dense, irregular connective tissue. In addition to hair and glands, it also contains blood vessels and nerve endings.
The skin is an organ, which means it is made of at least 2 different tissue types. In the skin, all 4 tissue types are present. The epidermis is epithelial tissue, and the dermis consists of connective tissue. The erector pili muscle associated with each hair follicle is muscle tissue. Finally, all of the nerve endings found in the skin represent nervous tissue.
During lab, you will work to identify the various tissue types found in the skin. This is how we connect anatomy to histology. It is so cold.
It is too hot.
The skin plays a big role in regulating body temperature when you are cold and when you are hot. It does this in a couple of ways. First, it will change the blood flow to the skin. Secondly, when you are too warm, sweat glands will become activated.
Let's start by looking at how blood flow changes to the skin help regulate body temperature. When you are too warm, the blood vessels in your skin will dilate. This increases blood flow to the skin, which helps to get rid of excessive heat.
Also, when you get too warm, the sweat glands in your skin begin producing sweat. The sweat cools you down as it evaporates from your skin.
When you get too cold, the blood vessels in your skin will constrict. This will reduce blood flow to the skin, preserving body heat.
In this short introductory video to Lab 4, we have talked about the structure of the skin, the microscopic features of the skin, the various tissue types found within the skin, and how the skin regulates temperature.
To finish preparing for lab, be sure to read through your lab manual so you can familiarize yourself with all of the activities to be completed. Once you have finished reviewing the lab manual, be sure to take the short pre-quiz to test your preparedness for lab.
Don't forget your pre-quiz must be completed prior to the start of lab.
See you in lab!